So this is the video for the last topic. We'll be trying now we'll be trying to find, instead of finding sides, we're trying to find angles. So that's what it's different. Okay, so here you have a few to practice. So again, how do we do this? How do we find this angle when the tangent is given? Well, what you have to do here is what we call I'm gonna use this paper to show you. You have tangent of V equals 1.6003. What we're doing is both sides, the way we can cancel this tangent is with what we call an arctangent. Okay, that's the opposite operation of a tangent. So doing that, what we're gonna have is, let me write this equation again, leaving a little bit more space. So here we apply arctangent both sides, arctangent both sides, arctangent both sides. Now arctangent is the opposite of tangent, and because it's the opposite, this goes away. And now we have V equals arctangent of 1.6003. Okay, now this arctangent, in some places we call it arctangent, some they call it tangent, that would be the reciprocal of tangent. Now the inverse, sorry, the inverse, not the reciprocal, the inverse of tangent. Now be careful with this, because on calculators sometimes you find like this, I just said it. It's not the reciprocal, the inverse. Sorry. So the inverse. This is not tangent to the power of -1. It's not. It's the inverse. That's what it means, which is the same as arctangent. So we're gonna write. We're gonna click here on second, and then arctangent, and then 1.6003. And what we get is 58, right? So V is 58, and that's in degrees, okay? You can also do it in radians if you wish, okay? So that's the way we solve it, okay? So this would be, again, what I want you to write here is V equals arctangent of 1.6003, and then this is 58 degrees. Again, for this, for example, for 34, you would do y equals arctangent of 0.2079, okay? And then you do it with a calculator, and like this, okay? Okay, now, what else? Yeah, for 37. 37 includes the skills we have just learned. They're asking you how much is this angle. Let's call it X. Again, we're going to use SOHCAHTOA. SOHCAHTOA. And again, we have to think which one of these serve us to solve this problem. And from X, do we have the opposite? No, we do not. Do we have the adjacent? We do, the adjacent of X. Do we have the hypotenuse? We do. So we're using hypotenuse and adjacent. Hypotenuse and adjacent, it's cosine. So we're going to use cosine. Cosine of X equals 17 over 36, right? And then we have something similar to what we had up here. So we have actually, we do the same thing we did here. We just do the arcCosine. X equals arcCosine of 17 over 36. And then we do it with the calculator. So we do arcCosine of 17 over 36. And that's 60, almost 62, right? So the answer would be 62 degrees. And if we look at it, this angle looks like a 62. It makes sense, okay? So that's it. That's about it. All of them are this way. You have the answers at the end of the worksheet, so you can keep checking after you do each one of them. Okay? Have a great day.